The DFR100 is used to repair fiber optic drop cables that have been cut. 2 DFR100 units are required to compensate for the lack of slack in the cable. The DFR100 can also be used as a demarcation point. Rectangular drop fibers of 8.1 mm, 5.4 mm, 5.1 mm, and round 5.1 mm cables be repaired using the DFR100. The DFR100 is rated IP68 and can be directly buried or mounted on the side of a building or pole. The DFR100 accommodates up to 12 fusion splices and 2 mechanical splices. The DFR100 is supplied standard with all cable gaskets for compatible cables and mechanical splices. We will now show the procedure for making a fusion splice in the DFR100. Step 1. Strip the drop cable to 22.5 inches. Remove the strength members and Kevlar yarn. If there is a toner wire on the cable, peel the toner wire back as applicable. Step 2. Place the nut onto the cable. Step 3. Insert the drop fiber into the corresponding gasket. Make sure that the toner wire does not go through the gasket. Also, make sure to never tighten the nut without a gasket inserted into the port. Step 4. Insert the drop cable and gasket into the DFR100. Finger tighten the nut. Step 5. Clamp the cable into the base of the DFR100. Step 6. Repeat the previous 5 steps to prepare the other drop fiber. Step 7. Prepare the length of the fiber needed to splice the fiber so that the splice protector will locate conveniently in a splice holder. It is recommended to wrap each fiber around the routing channel 2 times. This requires a length of 22 inches before cleaving. Step 8. Cleave the 2 fibers and splice. Step 9. Wind the fiber into the DFR100. Step 10. Mount the splice protector. Step 11. Mount the lid and screw the 8 screws in the pattern described in the instruction sheet. Step 12. If the cables have toner wires, tie the 2 toner wires together if desired.